Am I calling for review of my case? No. I am a Democrat. I believe in the rule of law. We cannot change the law because of one person. We cannot change the law because it didn't favor a particular person. So, the fact that today the law did not favor me, I will ask for review, no matter how bad and skewed and perverse the judgment is. I am not calling for review. I will continue to stand for the law, and I tell my supporters, stand for the law. Don't break the law. Don't follow what is wrong. But I will continue to fight against judicial bandits. I will fight judicial bandits. This is just the beginning. We have documents that we have worked on. Even to Imo, we have traveled to Imo, we have documents. We will pursue judicial bandits wherever they are, so that Nigeria's democracy will be protected for you and me and my children. We cannot go back to military regime. Why are judges above the law? That they will deliberately occasion a miscarriage of justice and nobody hold them responsible. Are they above the law? Do you need to be in the good book of a judge, or you need to be on the side of the law? The answer is simple. Citizens should be on the side of the law, not in the good book of a judge. And the judge who gave the skewed and perverse judgment, who actually, 3 of her recent judgment is against the judgment she gave. Her own judgment, she went against her own judgment in my own case, was nominated to go to the Supreme Court. I have written to the president today, and I'll read a letter to the president. We don't need those kind of character in the Supreme Court. We don't need it. I have petitioned the president to stop her swearing as a court of the Supreme Court. And I have also written to the Nigerian Judicial Council, NJC, today, and I'm calling on the NJC to investigate this case.